Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning all. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back. Moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move?
I'd like to extend my congratulations to Murata, to Oda-san and the team, the Murata team. Inauguration, your new building will add more to your 4,000 plus employees and hopefully reach 10,000. It's going to be a good magnet for Philippine investment. I'm happy to be here. Thank you for inviting me.
Israeli, congratulations to Murata. It's supposed to be secret, but I'm tempted to already convey this so that we can guarantee that we will raise our event on November 10th. We look forward to witnessing even greater milestones as Murata continues to grow with PESA and win the Philippine team. Together, let us advance and zoning the Philippines towards inclusive and sustainable development. Once again, congratulations to the entire Murata family for this well-deserved achievement. Mabuhay! Maraming salamat po sa ating lahat.
On behalf of the government of Japan, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to Murata Manufacturing. We look forward to seeing this facility rise and thrive in the months ahead and to an even stronger Japan-Philippines partnership in the years to come. Mabuhay ang Murata Manufacturing, mabuhay ang pagkakaibigan ng Japan at Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po.
Today, on this remarkable milestone, I am delighted to extend my heartfelt congratulations to Mr. Nakajima and Mr. Koda, along with appreciation to all esteemed guests who have joined us today.
On behalf of Murata Group, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to all stakeholders and hope that the MPMM and the Philippine society will continue to grow together sustainably in close cooperation with everyone involved. Lastly, I would like to propose a toast. May I kindly ask everyone to please stand and raise your glass. Mabuhay! Kanpai!